চেপ্টাৰখন কোনে হেল্প কৰিব সেপ্টেল মেসোসোমে হেল্প কৰিব বুজি পালো লিখাইটো দিমেই মই right next is lateral mesosome lateral mesosome বুলি কিহৰ কাৰণে কৈছে because this is something that is found at the periphery lateral side lateral মানে কি সাইডত right so গুটি সেলটো আছে সেলৰ সাইডত এটা mesosome পোৱা যায় আৰু তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ lateral mesosome so two types of mesosome now the point is what is a mesosome right mesosome if you see the diagram কৰ পৰা originate কৰিছে plasma membrane বা cell wall sorry cell membrane পৰা originate কৰিছে তিনটা layer আছে ন capsule আছে cell wall আছে আৰু cell membrane আছে mesosome to কৰ পৰা originate কৰিছে it has originated from this one right এটো পৰা originate কৰিছে কৰ পৰা originate কৰিছে cell membrane পৰা so cell membrane খনে অকমান portion of the cell membrane হুমাই গৈছে নাই Are you understanding? We are talking about a word that is called as protrude. Protrude বুজি পাও এটা সেল আছে সেলৰ ভিতৰত যদি কিবা এটা বস্তু হুমাই যায় তাক আমি কি বুলি কম protrude right so in this case who forms the mesosome the cell membrane forms the mesosome first point right out of these three layers who form the mesosome the cell membrane form the mesosome second cell membrane mesosome form কৰাৰ পিছত what is the advantage the advantage is it has increased its surface cell membrane খনৰ surface যদি বঢ়াব লাগে তেতিয়া হলে তাহাতে এটা structure form কৰে এই structure টো আমি কি বুলি কৈছো mesosome বুলি কৈছো so mesosome ৰ ultimately কাম কি কৰিছে cell membrane ৰ surface area টো increase কৰিছে right next cell membrane or surface area increase কৰিছে now will come to the function of a mesosome before discussing the function of a mesosome do you have an idea how does a mitochondria look like ইয়াৰ লগত একো ৰিলেটেড নহয় কিন্তু মই এনে all of a sudden কৈছো mitochondria structure টো নামটো শুনিছা already right so how does the mitochondria look like mitochondria শুনিছা নাই okay whenever you talk about Yeah, it is called as a powerhouse of a cell or energy house, right? Now the question is, why is it called as a powerhouse of a cell? Energy house. Yeah, because this is the area where ATP is generated or produced. Our energy boli kole, it is always in the form of ki ATP, adenosine triphosphate, no? Our A bostu kini code prepare kore, mitochondria bhitorot prepare kore, and so it is called as a powerhouse. Right clear now how does the mitochondria look like kenekwa dekhat mitochondria to dekhat kenekwa structure to janu ne double membrane structure right and you have something like this hoine right so a mitochondria looks like this it has a outer membrane and it has an inner membrane also right so a inner membrane or ekhini portion ki hoy ese eneke humai goise this is what is called as protruded area no so inner membrane khon ekhini simple hoy ase ekhini jegat ki korise hi humai goise thik tenege ako eneke simple hoy ase ekhini jegat hi humai goise ei bostu tu ki boli koisile cristae a folds bilakok folds this folds is called as cristae right a fold gita kiho karone thake karon ami janu je mitochondria ATP generate hoy aru ATP production or karone ATP production is a lengthy process we will be discussing it exactly aru ATP production or kotha kini ami kod porhim cellular respiration topic to ami details or porhim so ei je folds bilak hoise no ei folds bilake ki korise je ei inner membrane konor surface area to borhai dise hoy similarly mesosome ki korise prokaryotic cell membrane or surface area to borhai dise are you just understanding the comparison between the two right okay next again mitochondria in this mitochondria these are called as cristae bilakot kisman bostu thake ebilak ami etia details of naja F1 particle thake aru ebilakor through re ultimately ki form kore ATP form kore ATP form kora mane ki energy form korise and the process that forms energy is called as ki energy producing process আমি কি বুলি কওঁ respiration, right? Because we'll be talking about two physiological I think one is called as photosynthesis and the other is called as respiration. Photosynthesis key production of food, respiration key production of energy or breaking down of food, right? So respiration or process ot ki produce hoy energy, energy kune produce kore mitochondria, and that is the reason why mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of a cell. So in case of a eukaryotic cell, who forms the energy or where will you find the ATP? It is always inside mitochondria. In case of a prokaryotic cell, we know mitochondria is absent. Kihor karone absent? Karon membrane bound cell organelles are absent. So if mitochondria is absent, does that mean they will not produce energy? Buji paisu ne? Eta eukaryotic cell or mitochondria thake, mitochondria to ki produce hoy? ATP produce hoy. Aru ATP by energy, obviously it's very much essential for a cell. Prokaryotic organisms also need energy. Kintu they do not have mitochondria, so energy code produce hobo ba respiration code hobo. So in case of a prokaryotic cell, mesosomes bilake ki kore, they increase the surface area of the cell membrane, as a result helps in conducting respiration efficiently. So question to jodi ahe bacterial cell etat respiration code hoy, the answer would be mesosomes. Is it clear now? Right? So eukaryotic cell or respiration by energy formation code hobo mitochondria, prokaryotic cell or respiration code hobo mesosomes. A bacterial cell respires with the help of mesosomes. And who forms the mesosomes? The cell membrane forms the mesosome. Cell membrane or surface area to increase kori diye. So this is all about this cell. এতিয়া এখিনি বস্তু লিখি দিব লাগিব নে you will go through the notes? Obviously notes আছে, তোমালোকে notes খিনি পাইছা নে নাই? পাইছা ন? So explanation part to মই কৰিলো. What you do is you please go through the notes that I have given and see whether you have understood or not, right? So this is almost the structure of a prokaryotic cell, right? So ribosomes of what we know that this is proteins, no? Protein factory or makes proteins, right? Septal mesosome or kam ki? Septal mesosome or duta function likha ase tate tar saba. It forms the septa. Septa ketia formation kore? During cell division. Yeah, during cell division, and plus it also helps in DNA segregation, separation, segregation. ठीक है? Next is lateral mesosome. Lateral mesosome हमें क्या जानो? Increases the surface area. Increases the surface area of cell membrane, right? And what is the function? It helps in conducting respiration efficiently. Yeah. Right? Next is flagella, we understood helps in locomotion. Pili aru fimbri. If you talk about fimbri, these are the short hair-like structures and they help in attachment. Second point is they are found both in, it is already given in your notes, but even then, both in gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Tamane bacteria are of two types. Some of them are called as gram positive and some of them are called as gram negative. What is gram positive? What is gram negative? We'll discuss it in the next class, right? Next is, if you talk about pili, pili kisman information janibo lagibo je pili ki hoy. Rupa, 1 second. Okay, talking about pili, pili bilak ki hoy, hair like structure. Do they have any role in locomotion? No. What is the function? They help in attachment during a process called as, yes, surface attach koribo. So duta bacteria ami olof agote exchange of genetic material koisilu no. So duta bacteria mazot jodi exchange hobo lage no, suppose eta bacteria a2 yar a2 genetic material, yar a2 genetic material, ei bostu tu jodi yale ahibo lage duitai attach hobo lagibo na lage, right? So this attachment would be helped in by those pili, right? And so they are also called as sex pili. Sex pili boli kiyo koy karon tahate conjugation process ot help kore. Conjugation process to key process that it is a type of process in which genetic materials get exchanged between two bacterium, right? And it does not have any role in locomotion, right? So septal mesosome, lateral mesosome, fimbri, pili. Next aru ki asile? Flagella to we have talked about. Volatin granule, glycogen granule we have talked about. Next aru ki thikile? Plasmid. Remember we have talked about plasmid, eta structure rakisilu diagram tot kenekwa, etu jodi bacteria hoy, etu jodi genetic material hoy, e extra genetic material to kami ki boli koiso, plasmid boli koiso. So plasmid or ki monot rakhim, extra genetic material. Next point, it can be incorporated into circular DNA. Plasmid or ketaman point ami mon rakhibo lagibo. So plasmid ki hoy extra genetic material, ketiaba ki hoy এই বস্তুটো আৰু এই বস্তুটো দুইটা লগ লাগিও যাব পাৰে. That is what is called as it can be incorporated into the circular DNA, right? During কিছুমান process এই genetic গুটেই material খিনি একেলগে লগ লাগি থাকিব পাৰে. So plasmidৰ characteristic, it can be incorporated into the circular DNA. Next is এইবিলাক clear হৈ যাব যেতিয়া আমি reproduction কৰিম তেতিয়া. It gets transferred or transported during conjugation. So conjugation is a process jot teki duta bacteria nijor genetic material khini exchange kore, to eta bacteria pra antu bacteria le ki jai je plasmid from one bacteria goes to the other bacteria. So plasmid or ami ki janibo lage, it gets transported during the process of conjugation. And lastly, it can replicate itself. Right? So what is a plasmid? A plasmid is an extra genetic material that is present in almost all bacteria. Present in all bacteria. It can get incorporated. Tamare duita mix hoyo thakibo pare. Yare plasmidor eta part eta bacteria pra antu bacteria le jabo pare during the process called as conjugation. Next is plasmid has a characteristic of getting replicated. Tamare etar pra dutao form koribo pare. So these are the characteristics of plasmid. Next aru kisuman ki janibo lage je we have different types of plasmid. Okay, plasmid boli kole types could be F plasmid. Plasmid ki hoy genetic material, no? It could be R plasmid. It could be Col plasmid, etc. So eta bacterial cellot ki thakibo extra genetic material thakibo, and extra genetic material that plasmid might be of different types. It could be F, R, Col, some other types of plasmid could be Ti plasmid, etc. Now when is a plasmid called as F plasmid? When this plasmid contains fertility gene. এই জেনেটিক মেটেৰিয়েলটোত যদি ফাৰ্টিলিটি ফেক্টৰটো আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে সেই প্লাজমিডটোক আমি কি বুলি ক'ম এফ প্লাজমিড সো দ্যাট প্লাজমিড উইল ডিসাইড বেক্টেৰিয়াটো মেল বেক্টেৰিয়া হ'ব নে ফিমেল বেক্টেৰিয়া হ'ব পিছত আমি গম পাম বেক্টেৰিয়া মেলো হ'ব পাৰে বেক্টেৰিয়া ফিমেলো হ'ব পাৰে এণ্ড হু ডিসাইডস it is always the plasmid that decides and which plasmid it is always the F plasmid mane fertility plasmid means what this plasmid has a specific gene and that gene is nothing but the sex factor right similarly we have R plasmid ki je resistant plasmid কিছুমান বেক্টেৰিয়া কিছুমান বস্তুৰ কাৰণে ৰেজিস্টেন্ট হ'ব পাৰে ফৰ এক্সাম্পল ওয়ান বেক্টেৰিয়া কুড বি আ ৰেজিস্টেন্ট টু আ স্পেসিফিক ড্ৰাগ সেই ড্ৰাগটোৱে সেই বেক্টেৰিয়াটোৰ ওপৰত কাম কিয় নকৰে বিকজ ইট হ্যাজ দ্য জিন এণ্ড দ্যাট জিন ইজ প্ৰেজেন্ট ইন দ্যাট R plasmid resistant plasmid and if the plasmid is resistant to that drug তেতিয়াহ'লে সেই ড্ৰাগটোৱে তুমি বেক্টেৰিয়াটো কেতিয়াও মাৰিব নোৱাৰা that is what is called as R plasmid third type could be col plasmid one type of plasmid june niki at a chemical substance that is called as colsins at a type of plasmid colsin synthesize kore and what does colsin do it tries or its function is to kill other bacteria eta bacteria ase hey bacteria tur bhitorot tar genetic material ase tar eta plasmid ase the plasmid is called as col plasmid suppose if it is called as col plasmid ei col plasmid to eta chemical synthesize koribo ei chemical tur naam ki hobo colsins and what would be the function of the colsin a bacteria to upor jodi belek bacteria akotak invade kore ba attack kore hey bacteria bilakok maribo lagibo kune maribo the colsin that is synthesized by this bacteria will kill the other bacteria as a result the host will remain protected right so a capacity to kuntu bacteria thakibo juntu bacteria a specific plasmid to ase that is called as col plasmid so up till here what we have learned is in a prokaryotic cell to be specific if you are talking about a bacterial cell extra genetic material thakibo that is called as plasmid has these characteristics and there are different types of plasmid also right F plasmid or fertility plasmid resistant plasmid, col plasmid, etc. So these are the informations about plasmid that we need to know. একেলগে কিবা ডাউট আছে নেকি So, talking about the structure of the bacterial cell, we have discussed almost everything, right? What we have talked about is, we have talked about incipient nucleus, right? Next, we have talked about ribosomes. Next, we have talked about volutin, glycogen granule. Next is about gas vacuole. Gas vacuole kotha ki monot rakhibo that absent but present only in aquatic forms. Present only in aquatic forms and these are called as pseudovacuoles. And what is the function? To provide buoyancy. Right. So, egita ame discuss korilo incipient nucleus amar ki jano naked circular DNA. Naked circular DNA. Ribosomes we know 70S. Volutin, phosphate, glycogen, food. Gas vacuole this. Next is we have talked about septal, lateral mesosome. right? So mesosome main function ki respiration, right? Next we have talked about flagella, locomotion. Pili, fimbri, attachment, right? Next, this part structure we have drawn, we have discussed about all this: gas vacuole, septal mesosome, flagella, pili, and now what we are left is with the cell envelope. So we had an idea how does a prokaryotic cell look like, right? Etia common details about the cell envelope. So plasmid or portion kini clear hole no? Buji paiso? So we have to know something about the cell envelope. Cell envelope or first ki asile capsule. So in case of a bacteria, ki thakibo pare je either capsule would be present, capsule present or absent, right? In those where the capsule is absent, slime layer is present, right? So eta prokaryotic cell by eta bacterial cell, when we talk about the structure, the outermost layer is formed something called as capsule, right? So not necessary so bacteria a capsule to thakibo. So what is the capsule? We have drawn a structure like this, right? So etu jeti akiso tak etu kami ki boli koisilo capsule boli koisu no. So some bacteria that will not have the capsule, instead what they will have is a slime layer, right? So etu kami ki boli kom slime layer. Tamane capsule kon proper capsule na thaki pelai slimy layer o thakibo pare. This slime layer is made up of dextran, dextrine aru leaven sugar. Right? So slime layer khonot ki thakibo egita, it is made up of this sugar. Another point about slime layer is it can be removed easily. Can be removed easily. Right? So eta bacterial cell jeta slime layer to thakibo tar kisman advantage ase. Slime eta bacterial cell jeta capsule thakibo tar kisman advantage ase. Advantage to ki je bacteria attack jeti tumi first harm koribo parisa, but if you want to kill the bacteria, what are you going to target? You are always going to target, or you are always going to try to kill the genetic material of that bacteria, to be precise, no? Jetia loke bacteria to genetic material to mari ne pelua tetia holle bacteria to ko mara na jay. So ebilak cell envelope khonor what is the role? It gives protection to the bacteria. So jiman layers thake himan protected hoy thakibo. So capsule jedi rigid layer eta ase tetia hole ki hoy bacteria to besi protected hoy thake, karon this capsule is hard to remove. But if you are talking about the slime layer can be removed easily. So jedi remove koribo paru tetia hole ki hobo less protected hobo. And how can you remove the slime layer? Even by washing the bacteria with water, the slime layer could be removed, but you cannot say so in case of the presence of capsule. Capsule thakile pani red hui dile tumi capsule khon gusai dibo nwara, kintu slime layer to ami ki koribo paru, it can be easily removed. Then if in those case where the capsule is present, it is made of peptido It is made of peptidoglycan aru ki thakibo D-glutamic acid. Right? Jeneke slime layer or kisuman sugar thakibo teneke capsule would be made up of peptidoglycan and D-glutamic acid. Actually peptidoglycan nokoi pare polysaccharide would be better. Right. So it is made up of peptidoglycan and D-glutamic acid. This is the first point. Second point, capsule thakile ki hobo? It gives virulent property to the cell. This is very important. Virulent property. Virulent mane ki? Disease causing. Right? Eta bacteria jodi capsule thake, tetiale he capsule to thakile bacteria to sonkale nomore. Aru jedi bacteria to sonkale nomore, tetiale tar ki thakibo capacity of causing disease would be more. So any bacteria that has a proper capsule are responsible for causing diseases. Right? So it gives a virulent property to the soil. Virulent mane disease causing. Right? And it gives a sticky nature. Right? So we are discussing cell envelope. Cell envelope or last but outermost layer is called as capsule. If the capsule is present, the capsule or the presence of capsule will make that bacteria or will enable that bacteria to cause disease, and so virulent property to kune dibo capsule khone dibo. Jedi capsule khon absent tetiale ki thakibo slime layer thakibo. Slime layer khonot it is made up of ki certain type of sugars. So this is about the first layer that is called as capsule. Right? Yar bhitor a point of birat important. As far as these sugars are concerned, iman details of question aha nai je sugar kun gita asile. This is to know something extra. Right? Below the cell envelope, tar pisot ki thakibo? Cell wall thakibo, aru cell wall or inner to cell wall ki thakibo? Cell membrane thakibo. So next is we will be talking about the cell membrane. Ami cell wall etialake kotha pata nai. In the next class maybe we will do that. Talking about cell membrane, what we know, it is also called as ki plasma membrane. Right. So it is the innermost layer. Right. And how does it look like? Structure to kenukwa cell membrane or something like this. এই দুটা কি হয়? Phospholipid bilayer, right? Aru etu ki hoy? Protein. Tamane this cell membrane is made up of phospholipid bilayer and proteins. Right? So jetia ami cell membrane khon ami keneke akisilo? Ekhon jedi cell membrane asile, so cell membrane khon jedi ami ei portion to ani pela magnify kori sao, we'll see something like this. So ebilak ki hoy? These are nothing but phospholipids. Phospholipid are one layer, two layer, ar tar maje maje kisuman dhoroner proteins thakibo. This is the structure of the cell membrane. So what is this that we have drawn? This is nothing but a phospholipid. Right? Phospholipid or at a head thake, that is called as hydrophilic head. And this part is called as hydrophobic tail. What is this? This is nothing but a phospholipid. Right? So cell membrane kon kihere bonua hobo kisman lipid particles ere bonua hobo phospholipid aru tat ki thakibo proteins thakibo phospholipidor eta part hydrophilic tamane accepts water aru eta part it does not accept water. So question ahe the which part is hydrophilic and which part is hydrophobic. So this is all about the structure of the cell membrane. Another point is when we are talking about cell membrane, it is something that is present also in case of a eukaryotic cell. As far as the structure is concerned, the same structure is seen in both eukaryotic and the prokaryotic cell. Right. So cell membrane or junto character ba junto structure hobo ei duita bostu in case of eukaryote and prokaryote would be the same. Right. So we were discussing about the cell envelope. Tar pisot aru last layer to ki asile cell wall, no? Prothomate ami kihor upor discuss korilo capsule, right? Below the capsule would be the cell wall, or below the cell wall would be the cell membrane. So we have discussed this and we have discussed this. What is left is with the cell wall. I think cell wall is something that we will continue with in the next class, right? So etialake doubts asil neki kiba? Okay, so we'll meet you on the next class, and at that time we'll be discussing cell wall. Thank you.